Hey guys, are you new to the world of affiliate marketing, or maybe you are looking for a new affiliate program to help you make money online? Either way, searching out our Amazon affiliate program review is a great starting point. Well done. Whatever your thought of Amazon as a company, there's lot of obvious plus point of Amazon affiliate program. Everyone heard of Amazon. It is the one of the world's most trusted brand. So it's comparatively easy to convince your reader to click your affiliate link and buy. With an inventory of more than 350 million products, it sells pretty much everything. Even if you are in a highly specific niche, chance to Amazon has product too much, and it ships to more than 100 countries. So unlike a lot of affiliate program, there's plenty of promotional to monetize international traffic. So it's an open and shut case, right? The Amazon affiliate program is the best thing since slice based, and if you don't sign up today, right now, you are incense. You should know by now that nothing in the world of affiliate marketing is that simple. While there's a lot of upside to being an Amazon affiliate, there's also plenty of downsides. So before you register, you do yourself a favor and dive into Amazon affiliate program review. So guys, what is the Amazon associate program? Let's start cleaning up some terminology. Amazon affiliate program is not actually called the Amazon affiliate program because the words be too easy. Instead, it's called Amazon associate. Amazon associate is an affiliate marketing program though which anyone can with an online audience, website owner, affiliate blogger, social media influencer can create link and earn referral fees when someone click this link and buy a product from Amazon site. Actually, it's not just an affiliate marketing program. It's one of the largest affiliate program in this planet. Like the vast majority of other affiliate program, it's totally free to join and it's pretty easy to use. Just create your Amazon affiliate link, write quality content to promote your product on Amazon, and you will earn money for every purchase. To make your job easier still, Amazon runs regular retail promotion, things like fixed discount and free shipping offers discounted to help affiliate marketing drive traffic. Joining Amazon affiliate program is a relatively simple process. Either search Google and phrase join Amazon affiliate program, or I will give you a referral register link and you can sign up easily from this link in description box. You will arrive on a landing page with a big yellow sign up button towards the top. Clicking the button at the first step towards creating your Amazon associate account existing stuff. You will be asked with some basic information like your name, your address and your phone number. Next, it's time to list the digital properties. That is website and or app you which is intended to advise product through Amazon associates. As a minimum, you need to add at least one website or one app. But if you have got a digital portfolio to rival universe, you can add up to 50 apps or sites. You will also be asked to confirm that your site apps are not directly targeted as under 13s. So simple. Now it's getting to the really important stuff. Stuff are choosing your Amazon associate store ID and explaining to the best of your ability what is the website is about, the specific niche you are targeting, the type of product you plan to promote. Don't sweat the section too much. Fact is, if you are only just launching your own site, you might not know the question or answer to all these questions, or you might start off down one path, then prove it a couple months later when you understand more about your audience and strength. That's fine. Amazon might not be farmed for as a generously, but it's will not take out you cut if you don't know every single things about your affiliate marketing business in this stage. You can always alter your answer down the line if things change. But the interrogation is not quite over yet. Next, Amazon asked a bunch of questions about how your website generates traffic and affiliate revenue. Are you relying on paid traffic, email referral, SEO? The all seeing Amazon wants to know. It even asks how much traffic you are generating at the moment. One piece of advice in affiliate marketing as in life, honesty is the best policy. If your website has only exceeded for a week, don't tell Amazon you are driving 5 lakh unique visitors a month. Even Amazon itself started out with 0 visitors. It has absolutely no problem working with and monetizing. New website show a lack of traffic would not count against you. Slightly confusingly, Amazon also asks how you usually create links. To be clear, that isn't an SEO question. Isn't it's not asking about the finer point of your backlink strategy. Instead, Amazon wants to know how you construct often links. The top option will be the best answer of the most would be Amazon affiliate, and that's pretty much it. When you complete the step and verify that you are who you claim to be, you will be automatically approved for the Amazon affiliate program. Congratulations, you are a fully flagged Amazon associate, but don't get too carried away because the hard work has not even started yet. The Amazon associate team will only check your application once you have driven and requisite number of qualified sales. To be priced, you need to achieve 3 sales within your first 180 days in Amazon associate program. While that should be an issue for experienced affiliate with established audience, it's a very different matter for anyone with a brand new website. According to me, 95% of newly published pages don't reach the first page of remaining time within a year. If my math is correct, 180 days is equal to 60 months and 60 months is less than 1 year. So you can't expect to rely solely or on organic sources traffic to rank up these 3 qualified sales. Unfortunately, you can't just buy 3 products yourself because personal order don't care. In short, you will need to be smart to cut it. As an Amazon affiliate, that could mean building an email list to promote your affiliate content, investing in PPC to drive paid traffic to your website, sharing content on social media. For more promotion advice, check out Authority Hackers co-founder. Thank you so much to this video. Our next part is published as soon as possible. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to get this up. Thank you so much.